Difu lurulang so bhom guru ani ke chow hithi along Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council CEM kahomritang. Trok ang deng Karbi Anglong United People's Association ke sengarni katalon. Difu manja kacileng atuar pi birla long ihum Hyundai i10 car kacingkoi long bangke thamatum areng hukeso. Kardom ada birla long penili available kropi non birtang ton pen arjek tha. Difu lurulang sobhom kuru arni kecho hithi mene Sunday market along thang ni phai ke barni Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council CEM kahomrida ma birta pherang ke pen birta na pale. Difu lurulang so bhom kuruarni kecho hithi mati Sunday market along Josemet pen Karbini marliatum Halloween arong pen Karbia han nang khacho jordunatum kangni adim prabjin pen abikirui thuka slam ponjia phan pen an parta kikim kirang pontu jia phan saimo deng pon pobosi birta longdun lurulang so bhom kuruarni kecho hithi along Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council CEM tuluram rong hangla pen alang di chor kache teron piatum kahomridam ho Difu Town Committee a chairman Rangkro pen chenglaw pinan ke thegeding atum ta chetongdun. Difu Club along thang ke marni trogang deng Karbi Anglong United People's Association ke sengarni talon pusinili tuwa pherang ke pen katni salong pirta nang pale. Karbi Anglong United People's Association pen thang ke barni Difu Club along trogang deng song ke sengarni katalon jai meglong pachitonsi pradamai pipado. Song amaipu mohon teron chiphampu pen kipado radamai pialong jakas maipu khorsing teron Advocate Robinson Hanse All Karbi Anglong Sorkari Gambra Association Kongchen bang Dor Singh terang Dimasa Students Union Maipu Dhiraj Difusa KSA Maipu Samson Teron Usuka Maipu Bibison Teron KIYA Maipu Stelin Taro Penchen Lopenan Ketheding Tung Chetong Dun Mailong Karbi Anglong Kisungalam Khai Hoi Kisungalam Lapen Hemprek Kehang Kodaksi Katikuk Malaso Pataka Chingwa Klong Paledam
Asu Cikloyon Troksi Cepamotekang Rock Aprantipi Dep Sehitum Ovi na ningkan thong kep kache song sitak ka chupi jun thekte ki thi cheng a song kache song halabang so kache song kang thu halabang so song long song in koi pini pirma dak song proxy le halabang so la song in koi ne puasi puan leader adu pini gonalo ne Oklang prai beli tu buku oklang prai son elong inut ekrong kacedak non pini long thai neli tu neli ke apisi cerap lang puse cerap tu hala bangsot ke sing vek atu mang pila pini bang ini dolang nelong peralang litum dolang puse neli da dol bang inut ke non neli tu amai long tarang tu no stelin inti la perke something an se bang ini do Songin koi ke cepeng alidar bangini ni puda presiden bangini presiden secretary bangini ni puda bangli kep do nai bangli kep angong bel pini bangini bel lasi pini nelitum bangini bangathom songin koi alar song proxy si nelitum motorama state hemprek nang wan pitani pola bang nelitum nang kica bune
Difu District Information and Public Relations Site Kamalong thang kep arni kadokowe bang inkora sir kep abang hubang phiatum inghoi hini eldia wareng aphan ketok asat lang pidon hinia wareng isia wareng ke District Information and Public Relations Site Kamaphan lapen adun thua wareng ke Information and Public Relations Hills Deputy Director along aphan Difu lomding ato warong pirbia long ke do District Information and Public Relations Site Kamalong isi eldia wareng Lapen Information and Public Relations asai Kam Hills Deputy Director along ECLDA Woreng ang hoi kapapleng Japan thang kep arni ketok asat lang padupon tanglo lahini LDA Woreng aphan kachuning ri alo ke jokka do koe bang thom kep raner kep bonta satlang ketok kado kawe baing kora sir kep anvet pose sai kam sai phupen pachini namalam sopor aphan birta moing topon iksinang Dini siksa klabo nila so chupen cerap leka cerap.
Pipot lo nangina chusir ham tamle ingisu.
Dini siksa klabo nila so chupen cerap leka cerap cing sok taun elo.
Nang cucut bu. Cepaking dan mati.
Tangkalam lo ti oi cepakeng cita.
Madhari, non alok Clark Beauty Parlor long discount pi bom ke.
Kalang ma konat lo lake.
Di foi ti arlo Iron Bridge adung rong supi along ke chengsi sopin so lapen so arlo tu kapamada dim lo.
Kalang ma.
Kalang lo ke chengsi sopin so lapen so arlo phat kapamada dim. Claret Beauty Unisex Parlor. Nang litum lada hair straightening 40% off along hair spa ake joy pen long ponikti. Facial 50% off, haircut 50% off, pedicure and manicure 50% off, hair color 25% off, hair curls 30% off, hair smoothing 40% off, hey hui long ponying ji. Claret Beauty Unisex Parlor near Central Bank ATM, Iron Bridge, Rongharpi, Rongbe Road.
Claret Beauty Parlor.
Lasinang itong napadari pinpin ang humrig mo.
Simonjir Children Park cum picnic spot, a place to visit for sure. The park is filled with eye-catching flowers, some medicinal plants and nursery. A perfect place for your children and family. For more queries, please contact 91014 33731. 93652070012. Simonjir Children Park, Chirikangnet, Ward number 4, Depot, Karbi Anglong.
Please step in Rose Gold, a newly opened beauty parlor, one step to the world of fashion. All kind of facilities are available here, such as hair spa, bleaching, makeup, pedicure and manicure, hair perming, straightening, body spa, facial, threading, waxing, etc. For more information, please contact 6001 863 460. Rose Gold, a newly opened beauty parlor, first floor, Cakes Legacy Building, Main Market, Diffu. Aturkimi Academy, Diffu, affiliated to CBSE, New Delhi. Admissions open for Montessori, LKG, UKG, class 1 to 9 for the session 2019 and 20. Facilities like boys and girls hostel, crash babysitter, art class on Saturday and Sunday. Registration forms are available at school office on all working days from first week of December 2018 from 8 am to 1 pm. Aturkimi Academy, Diffu, Rukasan, Amlapati, Diffu 782460. For more queries, please contact at the number given on screen. Free admissions for Montessori students, sponsored by Aturkimi Society.
Ganj Assam Hill Small Industries Development Corporation pen Arniwang Hemalong akenang sa hormu ason salam pontanglo. Lasinang litum Arniwang kenang sot kecu ason la penthesiri alang hithi kulat along longpon ikji. Kang tirtang kejun alang Tharwe alang, Theso alang, Kecho ajam tu, Tharmit aduk, Khelua Kreng Chitronola Ukthor pen Chenglok Ongdung Hemalong akenang sot hormu longpon ingji
Dinamo bhi puthat bir talong bangthulo Difu police station ki parluang kang lower dilaje birla long thang ni phai kebarni arni kang sampor phai chok sira minute crep ho por malam ihuma car khaching koi birta kat ni salong birta nangle Difu manja ka cheleng to war pia long ihum ki pacha hectic akelo Hyundai i10 car AS01 AL 9001 birla hithi auto rickshaw ke pasanga dungalong arni kang samapor men to war pipen ki soi phira jok kula da hem pen at na hok lo la pen bangsu khaching koi long bangi thom areng hum solo puse birta riptun long West Karbi Anglong Sojong Paris thom kebra playang deng ningkane se Karbi Catholic amaipi Saint Joseph Don Bosco Karbi rong supi kang bura teron arong alongsi kedam tang thang ni final cap arni pen ni phai cap arni an ni thoma baha mesen pen kardom kardila pen karkli kang thera maipi mesen pen ki panjut pona birta pherang ki pen birta nang pale
Paris Committee amai pu James Cram Sapen kachipahem pupona Maya Long Chunbang Wilson timung pensi Maya Lam the pachini ponno kijut siar ni amai pia long aluhi sarpo aman pen Red Reverend Thomas Menam Biripil SDP Archbishop Emeritus Guwahati Reverend Kuru Sir Joseph Teron Vice Provincial Salesian Province of Guwahati Lucas Marak Paris Priest Sojong Paris Lapen Nisamiatung Chetong Dunsi Karkli Kangthir Kapa Juralong RDP Dun Karkli Kangthir Judet Pen Eucharistic Kangthir Amu Chechengta Padopon Lapen Anar Loapor Kachetong Ara Doan Pen Choranesan Chorap Sarpensi Bangso Mai Kangthir Pajut Ponlo
birta bangi lapons kang ton paniklo domi thakme kurbang thu